Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is your natural nail guru Tati. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I have an awesome video to share, definitely one that's very special to me because today I will be introducing to you Oh My Gel's natural product line, Oh My Natural. So when I first started Oh My Gel, it was really just a means to an end in the corporate world, a way for me to get control of my time and do things and work hard that was really just for me. But over the years, my vision of this business has definitely grown. It's gotten more specific, more clear. I know exactly what it is that I want to accomplish, what the end game is. And part of that definitely included natural products. I found the need because there's not a great availability of truly natural products. It's a little bit harder to find, or they're not totally natural. There's, preservatives and chemicals in there, maybe even in the smallest amount, but finding truly natural products that are highly concentrated with the ingredients that are gonna help repair your skin and your nails, hair, all that stuff. It's definitely something that's not as easy to find. So I knew that that is the first thing I wanted to accomplish with a product line is doing natural skin and nail care products that are truly going to help not just moisturize, but repair your nails and skin, improve the health, the look, the strength, and just be absolutely amazing. So it took a lot of time. It's been a couple years that I've been thinking about this. I had to learn about oils. I had to figure out how to even start something like that because never done it before. So there was a lot of figuring out, a lot of delayed procrastination because of everything else going on in the shop. But last year I finally had the opportunity to really put some effort into it. One of my newer clients, in talking with her, I found out that she is extraordinarily passionate and knowledgeable about natural products. So I spoke to her about my vision and what it is that I wanted, and she gracefully agreed to work on this with me. So I'm really happy that Monica joined us. She's super knowledgeable and passionate about what she does, and such a big part of Oh My Natural. So finding my person to help me out with this is really what propelled me to just go hard and get it done. We started this off with two products. We have our incredible cuticle repair oil. Lovely, look at that bottle, super cute. And then we have a cuticle repair balm. So I'll go over specifics on the differences, when you want to use it, which one I would recommend if you had to choose one or the other, how often to use it, etc. We'll go over that in just a moment. So in deciding that we were gonna start these two products, we needed to start mixing things together and testing out. My cuticle balm is a beeswax base. Natural beeswax is so beneficial to skin, a natural moisturizer, and has many, many, many benefits. So I really knew that I wanted that to be the base. Monica helped me out in figuring out what else we need to get in there. She made me a sample, and let me tell you, that was the moment that I realized that we are definitely on to something. I myself generally would suffer from very dry skin, especially around my cuticle. It would be very cracked all the time. It's just the way my nails and my cuticle have always been. And I used to use the Burt's Bees lemon butter, which was absolutely amazing, but I noticed that I'm not really consistent with stuff. I'll do it for a couple days and then I'll forget. I know, bad habit. But I would realize that it was really great as I was using it, but if a week went by that I didn't use it, my nails would go right back to being dry. So when we tried out our first batch of the cuticle butter or the cuticle balm for Oh My Natural, I was overly astonished and amazed at how quickly it repaired my cuticle skin. And to this day, my cuticles have never been cracked again. I purposely stopped using the cuticle balm and waited to get my nails back to how they normally were because, you know me, I love testing stuff out. I want one on one hand, one on the other. I want to take the pictures. I want to show everyone that difference. But I can never do that because my nails, my cuticle never got cracked again. Even right now, I woke up today, I have nothing on my cuticle. I haven't put no oil, no balm. I actually have a little dryness here because our air down here in Miami is changing, and when you're sensitive, we start getting little dry spots everywhere. It's crazy. But it was just absolutely amazing. My cuticles never were cracked again, so I didn't have the opportunity of testing that out side by side. And that's what really told me that we were definitely onto something, and why our products are repairing products and not just cuticle moisturizing products. So as I used the cuticle balm, I gave some to other clients to test it out. We saw that it was consistent in the results. They were able to use it for other dry spots, not just their cuticle, and we're getting really amazing same results. And what's amazing with this is that, especially for those that are really difficult in keeping up with habits, it's not something that requires daily use. Although we want to keep our cuticles moisturized, we want to have the habit of doing it. So you definitely want to try to use it once a day. But this product, whether it be the balm or the oil, you use it for the first couple days consistently to repair the skin, and after that use it sporadically, and you're still going to be able to notice pretty drastic results from what you're used to when it comes to your overall skin health, nail health, cuticle health. So seeing those results, having that recipe, seeing it for myself, we knew that we were definitely ready to go, and it took a little bit of time, but we made it happen. We have our cuticle repair balm and our cuticle repair oil. Both of these products have very concentrated ingredients. Something really important about our products is it is not watered down. There's absolutely no water whatsoever. And every single ingredient in these two products is beneficial to nails and skin. There are no filler products, even down to our essential oils. If the essential oil doesn't have a specific benefit to skin or nails, I do not use it. So frankincense, citrus, myrrh, those are oils that have really good benefits to your nails and skin. Those are the oils that I'm looking for. So you can definitely guarantee that this is a fully concentrated formula, no filler ingredients, no water, and every single ingredient has a purpose. So in my mind, I see it as like 100% active ingredient. But we do have our base oils, and we have our really potent, super active ingredients, which these recipes have about 30% active ingredient. That's unheard of. You don't see cuticle oils that have even 25% active ingredient. You're generally between the 3% to 12% range. Now, although our products are currently geared towards cuticle and nail, these things can be used anywhere. I have clients with dry spots that are helping control them, whether it be kids or adults. It's been really nice to see that clients can use this on little spots that their child has on their skin, or that they suffer with, psoriasis, eczema related stuff, and the oil helps, or the balm helps. It's helped with ingrown toenails. My mom is definitely someone who suffers from it, and 2 days after using our cuticle balm, the relief that she had in her toe was pretty extraordinary. And for someone who's been dealing with it for a long time, for many years, she definitely was really excited to see that it worked, and I was so happy to get that feedback, because that's all I want. All I want is to see that it is working for everyone out there. But this is something that can be used anywhere on your body. I have my sister who really suffers from like psoriasis, eczema, heat rash type related stuff, extremely sensitive skin. She's been using a little bit of that cuticle oil every single day, and it is incredible to see how manageable her psoriasis have been on her hand. That was a really big deal for me, because I know my sister has been dealing with her dry skin for a really long time, and to see her hands so much more relieved than they generally are, especially in the line of work that we do, it was just really rewarding to see that it's able to help her manage it a little bit better. But these products truly can be used anywhere. They can be used as chapsticks, lip glosses. I myself use it as chapstick. I have a client that came from Ohio, incredibly chapped lips. Girl, we're in Miami. Our lips get chapped in the cold, and the cuticle oil within just a couple of days completely healed her skin. So it's really amazing and rewarding to see that these products can help anywhere on your body, not just your cuticle and your nails. Now, all the products are available, and for anyone that's watching this video right now, I have created a coupon code so that you can try it out. You'll get 10% off your order. It's the coupon code will be right there on my YouTube. I definitely look forward to seeing some of those orders come through, and most importantly, getting your feedback. The packaging that's available, we have the cuticle oil in 2 different packaging. So we have the little mini cuticle oil bottle, which is super cute. Everyone loves everything that's miniature. We also have the large cuticle oil bottle. Now, this large cuticle oil bottle lasts me in my shop about 2 months. That's about 400 manicures. And then I have my sister over here using it every single day. I have a couple clients that put a couple drops in their lotion and they rub it all over themselves, which actually is really awesome. So it is definitely something that's going to last a while. And if you are one person buying the large bottle, you can expect this to last you about a year, using it once every single day. It is very concentrated, and a tiny bit goes a long way. Just this little miniature polished bottle is definitely going to last you a long time. And if you notice, in our cuticle oil bottles, we have 24 karat gold flakes. Those are real 24 karat gold flakes, and 24 karat gold does offer great benefits to the skin. So it is definitely not just for looks. And also we have little citrine crystal chips in there. Anyone that knows me and knows and comes into the shop knows that I'm a very big energy person. I put a lot of good intention and energy into everything that I do, and I definitely wanted to make sure everyone that bought our cuticle oil was able to get a little bit of that energy with them. And call me weird, but these crystals have been cleansed under the full moon. Beautiful intention set for those who receive this bottle and use it. And yeah, I'm a little bit of a weirdo with that, but I figured I wanted to add something that's unique, genuine, true, pure, and looks really pretty too. So definitely can't go wrong with that. Now for our cuticle balm, I have a couple different packagings for the cuticle balm because as I was doing this, I had no idea how I wanted to set it up, and I know I didn't want it to be a traditional packaging that people are used to. So the first thing I started with are these pods. More than likely, I'm going to end up changing these in the future because now I know how I like everything and what works and what's really practical. So we may or may not be changing this in the future, but for right now, we have these cuticle balm pods, the large and the small. Now, with the cuticle balm pods, let me open it here. We have nice little balm in there. A little bit goes a long way. You can use your nail and scrape backwards. Don't scrape like this because then you'll get it stuck under your nail. Unless you have that skin under there that's really dry, then you want to shove that cuticle balm in there because I promise you, you're going to notice a huge difference in the moisture under that. I know some people suffer from it. But I realize for people that have soft nails, short nails, it might be a little difficult getting in there, especially as you get down. So I went ahead and got these little spatulas. I even put a little piece of Velcro on there just in case you wanted to Velcro it to the top. That way we don't lose it. But I'm throwing in a little spatula in there to make it a little bit easier to pick it out. And again, with my future packaging, I guess you could say, now that I see how everything lays out, how it works and what's practical, we're definitely going to be a little bit more creative in you know, not having all these separate pieces. But I'm throwing that in there just to help you guys out. And we have that one in a large and a small. And you'll see on there that we also have a cuticle balm tin, which is super old school and cute. Bought a couple of those just to try it out, but we do have a few of those left. So if you want to do the cuticle balm tin, it's just really cute and a fun way to have it. Now, my favorite packaging for the cuticle balm, and I was really, really proud when I came up with this idea because it's not something that is out there that I see, but I have my cuticle repair balm stick. Now this is in a slim chapstick tube. This cuticle balm stick is awesome because it is extraordinarily easy to apply. You can use it as a chapstick. It is great to keep it in your purse. It is very accessible, very clean, and just super practical. I absolutely love this. This is definitely something that a lot of people have really liked. So if you want to go anywhere, this right here, this cuticle balm stick is absolutely awesome. For the future of Oh My Gel, we definitely have so many more ideas that we're working on to get more natural products, and essentially every single thing that I use in my shop is going to end up being made by us and sold through our shop, and it's going to be the absolute best we can make it. And you can always count with Oh My Natural that as we progress, learn more about products, we genuinely and truly will be improving our ingredients and making sure that we're giving you a better product each and every time. There will never be water added, it will never be diluted, and every ingredient in every product that we make will be natural and with purpose. I am so excited that I've been able to bring this to you guys. I definitely look forward to hearing questions down below, comments, and at the end of the day, hopefully some feedback on how it was able to help you, see some before and afters. So make sure you guys go onto the website. The link is going to be down below. Make sure you input your code to get your 10%, and take those before pictures. Go outside and take a picture of your nails as they stand so we can see what that difference is, so you can see what that difference is after just a couple of days of using the product. And I definitely look forward to seeing that. So if you're not already, make sure that you are following me on Instagram, not just Oh My Gel, but Oh My Natural. We will put that down below, that way you can keep up with everyone's before and afters and any of the information that I provide regarding the products. So thank you so much for watching this and hearing me talk about these products. It's so exciting and so rewarding to be able to be here and talk to you guys about this, and I definitely look forward to hearing from you and getting that feedback. And yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, and I'm gonna see you guys later. Bye. So when you're doing the cuticle oil, I literally just put a little dab at the base of every nail. A little bit goes a long way. There's really no need to waste product. Look at how much that spreads. Just a little drop. And even then, I think I might have put a little too much, but the excess will just rub on our hands. Look at how good that spreads. Rub it everywhere else. A little tiny bit of the cuticle balm goes a long way. So I'll just scoop a little tiny bit up with my nail. I'll rub a little bit on the base of each cuticle. So I can already tell I grabbed a little too much. So we'll just take some of that out. And when you're rubbing the cuticle balm in and the oil, you want to make sure that you're pushing up into the cuticle. Put some over here. Make sure you get those edges because those can get really calloused. Look at how well that spreads. Just a tiny bit goes a long way. Now I have a little too much on there, but we'll spread that around. Get that moisture. And then the excess we can just put it all around our hands, moisturize my tattoo a little bit. This chapstick tube is absolutely amazing. Mine, this is the one I keep in my purse. I didn't even put my sticker on it, but it is awesome. It's very, very practical. My hands are slippery. It's very, very practical. You can use it as a chapstick. You can use it anywhere, and all you want to do is rub a little bit at the base of each cuticle. This one is really, really great to control the amount that you're putting on, because although it seems like you're scooping a tiny bit, sometimes you're still scooping too much. And this just kind of glides over and moisturizes without necessarily having a bunch of excess product on your cuticle, which is no big deal because we can rub it on our knuckles and our dry spots. If we have any calluses on our hands or our elbows, it is definitely not going to go to waste, but we want to make sure that we're only using what we need so this lasts as long as we want it to last, because it's very concentrated and you really do not need a lot. I love this thing.